Hey everybody, so I just recorded a foundation routine. This is what it is right now. I do want to start doing different things. I want to do like the mommy and me, or just random like videos. Let me know what you guys want to watch. Let me know what you guys are interested in watching. You are going to see my little ones in the videos a lot. Because I am here at home with them, so they're gonna be involved into the videos. Let me know if you guys want to see like vlogs and stuff like that, like of me and the kids and my husband. Let me know. I've really been into the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It's really hydrating and it's medium to full coverage. A lot of people that have more oily skin don't really care for this foundation. But it's more for like a dry skin type. It's not really like for an oily skin type. Maybe combination can pull it off, but I would try it first before buying it. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this and let me know, give me feedback. I love feedback from you guys. Jacob, stop it now. Go over there, I'm not gonna give you no cookies. Hurry up. Hurry, or I'm gonna get the kukui. Oh,